Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you will be okay. Today we will start a new chapter, plants. In the previous chapter, we have learned about the animal, and in this chapter, we will learn about the plants. Get ready. So let's come to start. What is our today topic? Our today topic is plant. Plant grow in different places and live for different periods of time. Plants are the only living thing that not only produce their own food but also provide food to the other living things. All living things are depend on plant in some way or the other way. So what they say in the first sentence, plants grow in different places and live for different periods of time. Some plants grow in cold environment, some grow in hot and dry places. Their living time periods is also different. Some live for many years, while some live for few years. Plant also gives food to human being and animal, and also provide shelters and home for the animals. Plant gives us fresh air to breathe. They are just like the lung of the earth. Understood? All living things are depend on plant in some way or the other way. All living things, human beings, plants, insects, depend on the plant in some way. In this chapter, we will try to learn what are these ways and how living things depend on plants and how they are useful for us and for animal and for other living creature. This is unit number 5, chapter plant, page number 20. So let's read what they say. Plants grow in all shapes and size. Some grow in the soil, on land, and other grow in water. Herbs and shrubs are small trees, plants. So herbs and shrubs are small plants. Trees are the largest plant. So what they say in the first sentence, plants grow in all shape and size. Different plants grow in different size and shapes. Some are small, some are big, and some are medium. Some plants have strong woody stem, while others have weak stems, and some have soft stems. Their colors are different, even their leaf size and shapes are different from each other. This is the creation of Allah. Every plant is different from every other plants. Even their colors, their leaves, their size, their shapes, their stems, even the vein in the leaf of the plants are different from one another's. And even each plants have different flowers with the different colors and with the different size and shapes. Understood? Some grow in the soil on land and other grow in water. Some plants are grow on land while some are grow in water. So we will discuss it, the water plant and the land plant, and in the later then we will classify the herbs, shrubs and tree, that what are the difference between these three plants. Okay, now some plants remain immersed in water. In these slides we will talk about the plants that live in water. What are their special features? These plants are fixed to the soil at the bottom of the pond with the help of their roots. What are the special features? That these plants are fixed in the water, okay, fixed to the soil with the help of their roots in the water. Their stems and leaves remain fully under water. They are fully inside the water. Even their stems, their leaves, and their roots are fully under the water. They are totally grow inside water. The leaves are small or ribbon-like to offer little resistance to water current. What are other special features of such plants? Mostly their leaves are small, ribbon-like. For what purpose? To offer little resistance to the water current. Understood? Stomata are absent. In such plants, stomata are absent. Exchanges of gas dissolved in water take place through the general surfaces. And how the exchanges of gases occur in such a plants? Exchanges of gases dissolve in water through the general surface. Understood? What are the special features in such plants? They are fixed in the soil with the help of their roots inside the water, and they are fully inside the water, even their leaves, stems and roots. And their leaves are small, ribbon-like, the stomata are absent, and exchange of gas take place through general surface. Example are hydrilla and grass. Now this is the picture of hydrilla plants. Look at this picture. It is totally under the water and their leaves are small ribbon-like. Look at this plant. It is totally under the water. Now understand that how some plants grow inside the water. Our world is full of plants. Our world is full of beautiful greenery. Classification of plants according to the stem. Now we will classify the plants according to the stems. We will discuss now the three types of plants: herbs, shrubs, and trees. In the background, you can see a lot of trees. Classification of plants according to stems. Tall plants with a thick, strong, woody stem are called trees. So the big and strong plants are tree. They support branches and leaves. Understand what are trees? The trees are the tall plant with a thick, strong, woody stem. They support the branches and leaves. Examples like mango tree, coconut tree, neem tree. Understood? You can see a lot of trees in the background. The trees are tall and strong. The stems are strong and woody. And they live for many years. Tree lives for many years. Understood? You learn about the tree, that what a tree. Now we will learn the second type of plant. Plant which are medium height and have narrow but woody stem are called shrubs. Now the plant that are medium, not tall, medium height and have narrow but woody stem, then such a plant we will call shrubs. The trees are tall and strong woody stem, while the shrubs are medium height and narrow stem but woody stem. And the tree lives for many years while the shrubs lives for few years. Understood now what are the difference between the trees and the shrubs? They live for many years, the tree lives for many years, and the shrubs lives for few years. The trees are tall and strong woody stems. The shrubs are medium height and narrow woody stems. You can see a lot of shrubs pictures in the background. Look at these pictures. They are small, but they are strong plants. Look at the background. You'll see a lots of shrubs, plants. Example are rose lilac, hibiscus, and golden showers. Understood? These are the examples of shrubs. Look at this picture. Thinny wood stem. Can you see it? Look at this picture. Can you see it? It has a thinny wooden stem. Now the third kind of plant which are small and soft stem are called herbs. The plant which are small and soft stem. Now their stem are not woody, they have soft stem. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. It is the example of herbs. They are small and weak and their stems are soft. They are small and weak. Now we learn about herbs, shrubs, and trees. The trees are tall and woody stem, while the shrubs are medium height but woody and narrow stem, and the herbs are small and weak and soft stem. Understood? Look at this picture. It is the example of herb. You can see that its stems are soft and weak. Example of herb like a grass, mint, and coriander. Such a plant, all these plants have soft stem and they are weak. That's the example of herb. Now, this is book page 21, first paragraph. All plants need air, water, and sunlight to grow. If a plant did not get one of these, it would die. What a plant need? Plant need air, water, and sunlight. So we will study all these things in detail, that how they need and for the what purpose they need such things and what are their functions. Plants and human have many things in common. Plants are living things just like us, and plants needs food to grow just like us. Understood? But what are the food that plant need to grow? As we know, if we get healthy food like a protein, pulses, green vegetable, then we will be healthy and we will grow well. As we talk, they just like us, plant also need food to grow. So what are their foods? What are their foods and how they get their food? They need enough sunlight, water, clean air, rich soil, and space. Plants take in carbon dioxide like we breathe in oxygen, and they give out oxygen like we breathe out carbon dioxide. Understood? What they need? They need enough sunlight, water, air, and rich soil. And just like us, a human being take in oxygen and take out carbon dioxide, while the plant take in carbon dioxide and take out oxygen. The process is opposite in human and plant. Now, this is a plant. What they need? They need sunlight, water, good soil. Understood? And what are the purpose of taking these things? They need sunlight to provide energy per plant. Why they need? What is the function of sunlight for the plant? Sunlight provide energy for the plant. And water transport nutrient throughout the plant. What is the purpose of plant? They're taking water, they're taking a plant. Water transport nutrient throughout the plant. And good soil, what is the function of a good soil? Rich soil help the plant hold on firmly so it can grow tall. Understood? That why they need, the plant need air, water, and sunlight for this purpose. If the plant didn't get one of these, it would die. Store water and nutrient in the soil are transported to the plant through the roots. Understood? How they transported to the plant, the store water and the nutrient, they are transported to the plant through the roots. Now, they are taking carbon dioxide and take out oxygen. Look here, take in carbon dioxide and take out oxygen. Now, plants take water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to make their own food. Now, hope so you will understand why they need sunlight, water, and soil, good soil, for the purpose to get their food. And what is this process called? The process is called photosynthesis. Plants take water, sunlight, carbon dioxide to make their own food in a process called photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? Literally, shortly discuss photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, food preparation in plant. Plants prepare food in their leaves. The process of making foods by plants in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water is called photosynthesis. Understood? Photo mean light and synthesis mean combining or making. What happened? Plant take carbon dioxide, water and light, sunlight. And what they gives us? Glucose, sugar and oxygens. Okay. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is food preparation in plant. Food preparation in plant. In the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Now, look at this slide. During the day, the chlorophyll present in the leaves takes sunlight and also takes carbon dioxide in the air. The roots absorb the essential nutrients, salts, and water from the soil and transport to the leaves. The plant thus prepare its food in the leaves. Look here, during the day, the chlorophyll present in the leaves, they take sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air. And the root absorbs the essentials, nutrient and salts in water and transport it to the leaves. And thus in such a way, the plant prepare their food in the leaves. And they take carbon dioxide, take in and take out oxygens. While the process in the human is opposite, the human being take in oxygen and take out carbon dioxide. Now, too much water, sunlight can harmful to the plant. Don't water your plant too much, because too much water and sunlight harmful to the plant. Excess of everything is bad. Too much water can drown the plant. Understood? Look at this plant. And too much sunlight can get the plant dry. Understood what we learned in this chapter? We learn about the herb, shrubs, and tree, and we learn about the photosynthesis, that how the plant get their food and what they need. Bye for now. Inshallah, we'll meet you in the next lecture.